Did you know 82% of businesses fail due to poor cash flow? Let's fix that. You dream of starting your own business, being your own boss, and achieving financial freedom. But let's be real, most small businesses fail within the first 5 years. So how do you start a business that doesn't just survive but thrives? That's exactly what we're breaking today. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to launch a profitable business that can set you on the path to financial independence. Let's get started. The number one reason most businesses fail. Most businesses don't fail because of bad ideas. They fail because of poor planning and cash flow mismanagement. Here's what happens. 1. They jump in without market research. 2. They spend money on the wrong things. 3. They expect instant success and give up too soon. Success isn't about luck, it's about strategy. And I'm going to show you how to set up a business the right way so you don't fall into these traps. Step 1. Find the right business idea. The first step is choosing a business idea that's profitable and sustainable. Here's how to do it. Look at your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy? Identify market demand. Are people already paying for this? Check the competition. If no one else is doing it, that's a red flag. Test your idea. Start small. Sell to a few customers before going all in. Some low-risk, high-profit business ideas include freelancing, writing, graphic design, coding, consulting. Online businesses, drop shipping, print on demand. Service businesses, cleaning, tutoring, event planning, social media management. Step 2. Start small, scale smart. Here's a secret. You don't need a huge investment to start. The best businesses start small and grow smart. Here's how to do it. 1. Start as a side hustle. Keep your day job until your business makes consistent income. 2. Use free or low-cost tools. Canva for design, Shopify for e-commerce, Fiverr for hiring freelancers. Reinvest profits. Don't spend business money on personal expenses. Grow your business first. Step 3. The simple business plan you actually need. Most people overcomplicate business plans. You only need a simple plan to get started. Answer these 5 key questions. 1. What problem does your business solve? 2. Who is your ideal customer? 3. How will you reach them? Marketing plan? 4. How much will it cost to start? 5. How will you make a profit? A one-page business plan is all you need to stay focused and take action. A solid plan is your roadmap. 5 essentials. 1. Executive summary, your mission. 2. Market analysis, who's your competition? 3. Business model, how you'll make money. 4. Financial plan, startup costs, break-even point. 5. Marketing strategy, social media, local ads. Step 4. Get your first customers fast. No customers equals no business. So, let's talk about how to get sales fast. 1. Leverage social media. Post on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and LinkedIn. 2. Offer something for free. A free sample, free consultation, or discount can attract your first buyers. 3. Use word of mouth. Tell friends, family, and past colleagues. Ask them to spread the word. 4. Join online communities, Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups. Go where your customers already are. Your first customers don't have to be strangers. Start with people you know and grow from there. Step 5. Build for long-term success. Starting is easy. Staying in business is a real challenge. Here's how to ensure long-term success. Manage your cash flow wisely. Keep track of every dollar. Learn from failures quickly. Mistakes are lessons, not excuses to quit. Adapt to market changes. Stay ahead of trends and keep learning. The businesses that succeed are the ones that keep going. Legal and financial setup. Protect yourself. Choose a structure, LLC, sole proprietorship, etc. Get licenses, permits, separate personal and business accounts. Tools like QuickBooks can help. Budget for emergencies. Starting a business is one of the best ways to achieve financial freedom, but only if you do it right. Choose a profitable idea. Start small and scale smart. Get customers fast. Plan for long-term success. Success requires grit. Learn from failures. Celebrate small wins. Find mentors and avoid negativity. You're the CEO of your life. If you're serious about building a business that doesn't fail, drop a fire "I'm ready" in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more business and financial success tips. Remember, every big business began small. You've got this.